Good morning, Standard 5. I am going to start chapter 15, Natural Disaster. Dear student, what do you mean by natural disaster? Let us know first. The natural processes which cause severe damage severe damage to human life and environment is known as natural disasters. So dear student, let us know the natural processes which cause severe damage to the human life and environment is known as a natural disaster, dear student. Let us know those natural processes which used to cause natural disaster are like earthquake, volcanic eruption, tsunami, flood, cyclone and drought. So dear student, these are the few natural processes which used to cause natural disaster like earthquake, volcanic eruption, tsunami, flood, cyclone and drought. Due to this whole natural process, it can cause severe damage to the human life, animals and other living organism, also environment, dear student. Now I am going to explain you about the natural process which used to cause natural disaster. First, earthquake. What do you mean by earthquake, dear student? Earthquake. The sudden movement under the vibration. On its surface. These vibration are known as earthquake. So dear student, what do you mean by an earthquake? The sudden movement under the surface of the earth. Under the surface of the earth. Under the surface of the earth may cause vibration due to the movement inside the surface of the earth cause vibration on surface, and these vibration cause known as a earthquake, dear student. Due to the earthquake, the ground used to shake, and thus shaking houses, building, bridges, tree, and other type of the structure. A strong earthquake can destroy houses, building, and due to the destruction of the houses and the building, many persons used to get trapped under the building, dear student. Also bridges collapse and cause a severe crack on the road, dear student, due to an earthquake. An incident in year 2015, an earthquake struck Nepal and it killed more than 8,000 people. Also building collapse and many persons get trapped inside the building. An earthquake may also cause landslide and avalanche. What do you mean by landslide and avalanche? Let us know about it. Avalanche. What do you mean by the term avalanche? A large mass of snow falling rapidly down a mountain. A mountain is known as avalanche. Next is landslide. mean by avalanche? A large mass of snow. A large mass of snow falling rapidly down a mountain is known as a avalanche. Means a huge mass of snow due to the sinking of the ground or surface. Huge mass of snow used to slip down or fall down, known as a avalanche. Landslide. A large mass of earth and rock falling rapidly down a mountain is known as a landslide, dear student. Now I am going to explain you some important terms about an earthquake. What do you mean by the term seismology? What do you mean by the term seismology? The study of an earthquake is known as seismology. Dear student, the scientists who used to study about an earthquake are known as seismologists. Seismologist means the scientists who used to study about an earthquake. So next term you remember seismologist. So dear students, the scientist who study about an earthquake is known as seismologist. These are two terms, seismology and seismologist. Few more terms are related to an earthquake, like seismograph. What do you mean by seismograph? Seismograph is an instrument which used to measure and record earthquake. Next is Richter scale. Richter scale was invented by Charles Richter in year 1935, and it is a type of a device which used to measure the intensity of an earthquake. Means how low the vibration of the earthquake or how severe, how strong it is. So the intensity of an earthquake is being measured by Richter scale. Its magnitude start from 1 onward. When the reading in Richter scale is 1 and 2, we hardly feel the vibration of an earthquake. But when the reading is 3 and 4, we feel slight shaking. But when the reading is 7 or above 7, it used to cause widespread destruction, dear student. So, please you read this all the topic of an earthquake, learn the terms, and the next topic of the natural disaster I will explain you in the next video, dear student. Thank you all.